Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Prices are a little bit higher overnight, led by the bean market. A couple of things. I think number one, we're still watching the South American weather. It should be warm and dry this week across most of southern Brazil and Argentina. There is a forecast for some rains in Argentina January 13th and 15th, but the fact that they keep postponing these rains could be offering some stress on the crop. Argentina said that 82% of their first crop is planted. 65% of their second crop, soybean crop, is planted. It sounds like some of their acreage guesstimates are a little bit lower than what the USDA is using. Also, we got about 70% of the corn planted, and those early yields could be a little bit lower than normal given the dryness. For Brazil, there is talk that the crop is somewhere between 88 and 95 million tons for corn, between maybe the 108, 114 million tons for beans. So the bean crop seems like it's getting a little bit bigger, while the corn crop is getting a little bit lower. And some estimates in Brazil says corn exports may drop maybe 2 million tons from the USDA's forecast. So we'll see if that helps our export demand here in the United States. Open interest yesterday went up in the beans and corn, went down in the wheat. Funds were buyers of beans, oil, corn, and wheat, and pretty much even in the meal. They're still short 76,000 beans, 206,000 corn, 140,000 wheat. And the question is, how long will they hold that position? Given that some of the outside markets, the CRB index, crude oil, copper, are all showing upticks in the marketplace. Just kind of wondering if they will keep those short positions. The other thing was the Wall Street Journal yesterday talked about La Nina years. They said the last one was 2012. And they reminded everybody that soybean prices hit $18 a bushel and corn $8 a bushel that La Nina year. That might be in the back of some of the fund minds today. We'll be watching geopolitical issues. We'll be watching the currencies as the dollar reduces or declines. It could also help commodity prices. In China, most of their futures were up. Malaysian palm oil futures were higher, so the rally in beans is led by soybean oil today. So all in all, we have a little bit firmer tone as we start the 2018 in the grains, and we'll see if that continues due to South American weather and higher commodity prices. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.